The luxury smartwatch world is buzzing again, and this time, all eyes are on TAG Heuer. Yes, the legendary Swiss watchmaker is gearing up for what could be its most ambitious smartwatch yet, the TAG Heuer Calibre E5. Leaked images, insider reports, and early previews all point towards something truly exciting: a premium titanium build, a brand new operating system, and for the first time ever, a watch that's officially made for iPhone. But here's the big question everyone's asking. Is this the luxury smartwatch upgrade we've been waiting for? Or is it just another expensive refresh dressed up with fancy materials? In this video, we're breaking down everything we know so far, from the design leaks, hardware upgrades, and custom TAG Heuer OS, to what this means for both iPhone and Android users. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. We'll compare it against the competition, Apple Watch Ultra, Samsung Galaxy Watch, and even other luxury brands like Montblanc and Hublot, to see if the Calibre E5 truly stands out. Or if it's all hype, so grab your coffee, hit that like button, and let's dive deep into the world of TAG Heuer's next-generation Calibre E5, the smartwatch that could redefine what luxury wearables really mean. TAG Heuer Calibre E5, leaks, Wear OS 5, titanium build and release window. The smartwatch world is once again stirring with excitement, and this time, it's a name that many luxury watch aficionados have been waiting for. TAG Heuer's next-generation flagship, the Calibre E5, has emerged in a series of leaks, rumors, and insider glimpses that suggest this may be far more than a simple refresh. With whispers of a premium titanium build, a major operating system shift, and a release window that looks near at hand, the big question on everyone's mind is this the smartwatch upgrade we've been waiting for? Will the Calibre E5 genuinely leap ahead of its predecessor, or is it merely incremental evolution dressed up as something new? In this video, we'll dig through what the leaks tell us, evaluate their credibility, and explore what this could mean for luxury wearable shoppers, tech-savvy consumers, and fans of high-end timepieces alike. To appreciate the significance of the Calibre E5, it helps to rewind a moment and revisit how TAG Heuer's connected line of smartwatches has evolved. The brand has long attempted to blend its heritage in mechanical luxury timepieces with modern smart functionalities. Earlier models offered smart features with wearables, but they faced stiff competition from both mainstream smartwatches, Apple, Samsung, and niche premium brands. As smartwatches matured, expectations changed. Faster processors, better sensors, smarter OSes, longer battery life, and more premium materials, all while preserving the luxury watch feel. For a brand like TAG Heuer, which carries the weight of Swiss craftsmanship, the challenge has been to move the needle meaningfully rather than simply refresh colors or straps. With that in mind, the leaks around the Calibre E5 take on greater significance. Is this the moment TAG steps up in a big way? Over the past few weeks, multiple credible outlets have published details on the Calibre E5. While none of these are yet official full announcements from TAG Heuer, they form a consistent picture. Some of the most often cited features include a case built in part from titanium, or at least a titanium option, and premium materials such as ceramic bezels, domed sapphire crystals, DLC coatings, and Grade 2 titanium sandblasted finishes. 2 case sizes, a larger 45mm variant and, for the first time, a more compact 40mm variant aimed at a broader audience. Display sizes, rumored 1.39 AMOLED for the 45mm version and 1.20 AMOLED for the 40mm version. A major shift in software. The watch reportedly abandons Google's Wear OS, contrary to many expectations for Wear OS 5 or a newer Wear OS version, and instead runs a custom TAG Heuer OS, giving the brand more control over user experience and iPhone compatibility. Certification. The device is said to have made for iPhone certification, meaning improved interoperability with iPhones, better connectivity, and a smoother pairing experience for Apple users. Health and fitness sensors, dual-band GNSS, heart rate monitoring, SpO2, HRV, sleep tracking, planned via software update, accelerometer, gyro, barometer, and more. Battery life. Leaks suggest up to 2 to 3 days of typical usage on the 45mm model, possibly around 1 to half a day less for the 40mm. Though always-on display mode, heavy usage and features might reduce that. Pricing hints. Early reports suggest a starting price around $1,600 or equivalent for the base versions, with higher materials/premium editions costing more. Release window. While no official date has been fixed, many sources point to a launch imminently in the final quarter of the year, or at least availability in this month in certain markets. While these leaks offer tantalizing details, some items remain uncertain. Will there be LTE/cellular versions? Will third-party app support be full or limited? Will contactless payments, NFC, be supported? How extensive will the custom OS ecosystem grow? Apps, watch faces, services. These questions linger and impact how meaningful the upgrade really is. One of the standout rumors is the inclusion of titanium in the case construction, or at least a high-grade alternative to standard stainless steel. At the luxury smartwatch price point being discussed, materials matter for three big reasons: perceived value, durability/lightweight balance, and brand positioning. Firstly, in terms of perceived value. When a watch costs well over $1,000, buyers expect premium materials that feel substantial, refined, and worthy of that price. A titanium case, a ceramic bezel, and a domed sapphire crystal send strong signals that this is not a mass-market smartwatch, but something more akin to fine watchmaking combined with smartwatch tech. Reports mention grade 2 sandblasted titanium and DLC coating options. The 5 Krunner a try. Secondly, durability and weight. Titanium offers a favorable strength-to-weight ratio compared to steel, making a 45mm watch more wearable for many. At the same time, scratch resistance, via sapphire and ceramic, adds to longevity. For luxury smartwatches, where the device may sit alongside mechanical watches in the user's collection, these materials matter. Thirdly, brand positioning. TAG Heuer is positioning this watch not just against smartwatches but against luxury mechanical watches and premium smartwear. By offering materials and finish akin to mechanical luxury timepieces, the Calibre E5 seeks to occupy a distinctive niche: smart, connected, but unmistakably luxury. The materials help reinforce that identity. Perhaps the most consequential aspect of the leaks is the software pivot. Instead of adopting or upgrading to a Heuer OS 5 platform, which many expected, TAG Heuer appears to have created its own OS, referred to in leaks as TAG Heuer OS, built on Android foundations but tightly controlled and customized for the device. iPhone compatibility. By gaining Made for iPhone certification, the watch promises smoother pairing, better notifications, improved Wi-Fi/Bluetooth stability, and more seamless integration with Apple parts of the ecosystem. Given that TAG reports around 70% of its smartwatch buyers use iPhones, this makes commercial sense. Tech radar, GNSS, heart rate monitoring, SpO2, HRV, sleep tracking, planned via software update, accelerometer, gyro, barometer, and more. Battery life. Leaks suggest up to 2 to 3 days of typical usage on the 45mm model, possibly around 1 to half a day less for the 40mm. Though always on display mode, heavy usage and features might reduce that. Pricing hints. Early reports suggest a starting price around $1,600 or equivalent for the base versions, with higher materials/premium editions costing more. Release window. While no official date has been fixed,